Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change your avatar in Forza Horizon 4. First on this home screen, we need to enter the game, enter and click on continue. This is the first menu options, so auto show, garage, action house. So you need to go to garage. Here right, you can choose this customize character. So click on this customize character. So here right, you can change the character and you can change the t-shirts. Once you select it right, you need to save it. You need to enter. This green tick mark should appear. Then only it will be selected. Then go to tops. And here it's cool. This one, this one. Okay, this is cool. Yellow also good. Super good. And go to jackets. If you want to have it anything. Again, I forget to select it. Okay, it is locked. That's why it is not selected. Okay, cool. So I can keep this Xbox Series X. And go to jackets. And go to legs. Double click it or you need to enter. Okay. If you're using controller, you need to press this A button. Okay. That's it. Once you've done right, click on enter and escape. So now the character is changed. So that's it, friends. Is the way you can change the character from male to female or female to male. Okay. Then we need to change the name, right? So give escape. We need to come out of this. So again, we need to press the settings, pressing escape. Here, go to settings. And here you can select the name. Name select. If you want to change the name side, you can select it here. So select the name. Are you sure you want to choose this name? Your name can be changed at any time through the settings menu. So that's it. Now it is changed. So Zach is selected. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can change the name or avatar in Forza Horizon. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my forms. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.